Hello everybody, my name is Faizulan Nawal. I am studying in LKG class. My school name is Real Money International Free School. Ability based, respect principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I'm very happy Independence Day. Today is very special day for all of us. It is 15th August, or Independence Day. In the year 1947, all India got freedom from the British. We celebrate this day to remember against freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and Nehru, who fought for country. Our national flag is very beautiful. It has three colors. Saffron, white, and green, with the Ashok Chakra in the middle. Thank you. Total up promise.